The best travel upgrades are almost never the big expensive ones. They are the small items that solve a specific frustration you have been living with for years, and the fix is sitting right there for $12. This video is about those items. 12 tiny gadgets under $50 that earn their space and pay for themselves the first time you reach for them. Like and subscribe before we dive in, share this with a frequent traveler, and let's get straight into it. 1. A portable door lock, $9 to $15. This small device wedges into the door latch of any inward opening door and physically prevents it from being opened from the outside, regardless of keys or master access. It weighs under 50 grams, fits in a coin pocket, and takes 3 seconds to install. The Add-A-Lock is the most consistently recommended version at around $12. For solo travelers or anyone in accommodation where the lock quality is uncertain, this is the highest value item on this list per dollar spent. An alarm wakes you after the door starts opening. A portable lock means the door never opens in the first place. 2. A magnetic cable clip, $6 to $12. A set of magnetic cable clips attaches to the edge of any surface, holds the cable end in place when not in use, and ends the daily frustration of charging cables falling behind the nightstand or disappearing under the bed in a dark hotel room. Sets of 3 or 4 cost under $10 and work with USB-C, Lightning, and most standard cable ends. They also pull double duty on a flight, keeping your charging cable accessible on the tray table instead of dangling into the seat gap between the armrest and the seat. One of those tiny items that, once you own it, makes you wonder how you managed without it. 3. A luggage AirTag holder, $9 to $30. An AirTag in a holder attached to your checked bag gives you real-time location data for as long as the bag is near any iPhone in the world, which in practice means almost everywhere. If the bag is delayed, rerouted, or mishandled, you know exactly where it is without waiting for the airline's system to update. Travelers who use these describe the experience as transformative compared to the helplessness of calling an airline and waiting for information that was often wrong. For Android users, Tile and Samsung Smart Tags serve the same function. 4. A compact packing tape dispenser, $8 to $15. This sounds odd until you have tried to tape a damaged bag closed at midnight with a strip torn from a roll balanced on a hotel sink. A flat mini tape dispenser in a side pocket handles bag repairs, broken zipper reinforcement, labeling, and small emergency fixes that come up constantly with frequent luggage use. The more immediate use is at the airport itself. A strip of tape on a zipper that's starting to give prevents a much bigger problem at the baggage carousel. It also functions as a general-purpose repair tool for everything from a broken shoe strap to a curtain in the hotel room that won't fully close. Travelers who carry one use it far more often than they expected before the first trip. 5. A rechargeable silicone touch light, $10 to $18. A small USB rechargeable silicone touch light turns on with a single tap, runs for hours, and weighs almost nothing. It solves navigating a dark hotel room without waking a travel companion, reading when the cabin lights are off, and searching for something small in an overhead bin at night. What elevates this above a phone flashlight is ambient rather than directed light, far more comfortable for shared spaces, and with no battery drain on the device you actually need for everything else. 6. Laundry soap sheets, $8 to $12. Ultra-concentrated paper-thin laundry sheets dissolve in water and make sink washing during travel genuinely practical. A pack of 30 sheets takes up the space of a thin paperback at around $10. No liquid allowance used, nothing to leak, and exactly the right amount per wash. For travelers who pack lighter by re-wearing and spot washing rather than carrying an outfit for every day, this is the enabling tool. Brands like True Earth and Sheets Laundry Club have strong traveler reviews. The environmental benefit is also real. No single-use plastic bottles, no excess detergent waste. Once you've used them, checking a bag just to avoid one sink wash becomes hard to justify. 7. A cable organizer roll, $12 to $20. A compact organizer roll that unrolls to reveal 8 to 12 elastic loops ends the tangled cable problem permanently. Every cable, adapter, and earphone gets its own loop. The roll closes back into a cylinder the size of a large pen and fits in any pocket. The additional benefit most travelers don't anticipate. An empty loop at pack-out tells you something is missing before you close the bag and leave the hotel room. It functions as a passive checklist for every piece of electronics you own. Basic fabric roll organizers from travel shops deliver the same function for under $15. And the investment pays off on the first trip, where you would otherwise have spent 10 minutes untangling earphones at 1 a.m. in a dark cabin. 8. A reusable silicone food bag, $8 to $15. A silicone food bag with a tight seal handles snack storage wet swimsuit containment, dirty shoe isolation, and airport security liquid storage in one flexible item that weighs almost nothing. At security, it functions as your quart-sized toiletries bag. At the beach, it holds a wet swimsuit without soaking everything else. Stasher bags are the most recommended version at around $12, with a genuine no-leak seal and a construction rated for thousands of uses. 9. A slim travel wallet, $15 to $35. A flat travel wallet that folds to card thickness, holds 3 to 5 cards, plus a fold of bills, and eliminates the discomfort of sitting on a thick traditional wallet across an 8-hour flight. It also creates no visible back pocket profile, which reduces pickpocket appeal immediately. The Buffway Slim Minimalist Wallet at around $15 delivers the same core function as premium options costing 3 times more. Load it with only the cards you actually need for the trip, and it stays genuinely slim the entire journey. 10. A waterproof phone case with lanyard, $10 to $25. A waterproof phone case with a neck or wrist lanyard solves the beach, pool, and boat problem cleanly. It protects against salt water, sand, and an unexpected wave, while letting you use the screen and camera normally through the clear window. The Jodo Universal Waterproof Pouch is the most recommended budget option at around $10 for a pack of 2. The lanyard application earns its place even without water sports. A physically attached phone cannot be pickpocketed from a bag, cannot fall from a pocket on a boat, and cannot be left on a beach towel. 11. A clip-on mosquito repellent, $15 to $30. A battery or USB-powered mosquito repellent clip that attaches to clothing or a bag strap creates a small protection zone using a fan-dispersed repellent mat with no spray on skin and no smell. For travelers visiting tropical or subtropical destinations during active season, this is the difference between outdoor evenings being enjoyable and being dominated by swatting. The Thermacell clip versions create roughly a 4 to 6 foot zone of reduced activity and run for hours per mat. Replacement mats are widely available at outdoor retailers in most destinations, and for travelers who are reactive to DEET-based sprays, this device provides passive protection without any of the skin contact or reapplication that topical repellents require. 12. A mini lens cleaning kit, $8 to $15. A lens cleaning pen, a microfiber cloth, and a blower brush in a pocket-sized case keeps camera and phone lenses in the condition they need to be in for the quality of photos a trip deserves. A smudged phone camera lens is one of the most consistent and least acknowledged causes of disappointing travel photos. Most travelers walk around all day with a fingerprint-covered lens that turns every shot hazy without realizing why. The VSGO Mini Cleaning Kit and the Altura Photo Kit are both under $15 and clean a lens to optical grade clarity in under 30 seconds. That improvement applies to every single photo taken for the rest of the trip. Before you go, here is a bonus thought worth leaving you with. The reason most of these items stay on experienced travelers' permanent packing lists for years is not because they solved a big dramatic problem once. It's because they quietly solved dozens of small, low-grade frustrations across every trip without ever drawing attention to themselves. The portable door lock you never think about until you're in a hotel where you're glad it's there. The cable clip that means your phone is charged when the alarm goes off at 5 a.m. instead of sitting on the floor with a dead battery. The lens cloth you pull out for 30 seconds before the one photo of the trip you'll actually frame. That is the category of gear worth investing in, not the items that look impressive in a flat lay photo or check a box on a gear list. The ones that disappear into the routine and make travel feel slightly, consistently easier every single time. Start with the 2 or 3 on this list that match the specific frustrations you encounter most often. Add the others as you go. Within a year of regular travel, you will have assembled a kit that handles problems before you ever consciously register them as problems. And that, more than any single gadget, is what good travel preparation actually feels like. 12 gadgets, all under $50, each one solving a real problem that most travelers encounter regularly. The combined weight of everything on this list is under half a kilogram. The combined cost is under $200 for the mid-range version of everything, spread across every trip you take from the day you buy them. If this list gave you even one item worth adding to your kit, hit the like button right now, subscribe for more practical travel gear content every week, and share this with someone who is always surprised by small problems that a small item would have solved. We will see you in the next one.